After my previous quests regarding the best EDC mini toolkits available, I think I have found my holy grail one for my needs. Meet the Facom RL.NANO1 PB, one of the most complete and compact quarter-inch socket sets that I have seen so far, again at least for my needs. This was recommended by a viewer, and from what I understand, Facom does some variants of this set, and even Craftsman has an almost identical set, both made in Taiwan. Yes, I am aware of the 52-piece Toolen kit, which offers both the metric and imperial sockets, but I can't get it in the UK at the moment, nor do I need imperial tools. But I know it's a very popular set in the US, so I have to mention its existence. Now back to the Facom one. It's a 38-piece set that retails for around $100 and is just awesome. It literally fits in your pocket and it gives me snap-on vibes since the tools are so well polished and finished. I love it because everything is enclosed, so nothing is exposed like the Tool-Check Plus kits on the Wera, so no plastic frame to worry about, etc. Furthermore, you get 10 sockets with no skips from 5.5mm to 14mm, which was another issue with the former kits. You also get a full-size driver handle and a proper quarter-inch ratchet. The cherry on top for my needs is the universal joint alongside the two extensions, which are priceless when I'm working on my car due to weird angles and tight spaces. The ratchet is very smooth and solid with a 5-degree angle thanks to its 72 teeth. The direction lever is secure and easy to interact with. Also, it's very comfortable in the hand due to its rubber sleeve and longer handle. Next is the driver, which fills the hand nicely and accepts either the sockets or the bits thanks to the included adapter. Speaking of bits, check out these spring-loaded rails. I love that it offers security Torx bits to cover both needs, and overall these should cover most scenarios. All of them are marked, just focus on the last two numbers, as in here the 30 is a T30. The universal joint is solid again, while the two extensions at 55 and 100mm long complement the set. What else? The case is really well made, with every slot being marked. There is even a manufacturing date, mine is from July 2025. The latch is spring-loaded and we will see how it will last after prolonged use. Another thing I discovered is this rubber insert. It looks that you can use it as a tool lock as well. So yeah, I'm very happy with this kit for my needs and thus will permanently stay in my car for now, and I will report back of any issues in time. As always, thank you for watching and let me know of other tool sets that you use or are worth checking out. See you in the next one.